Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I'm back with a new haircut and a new video for New Video Tuesday.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
We've got a wonderful food pantry haul for you today. I was a little under the weather, that's why I disappeared for a little bit, but I'm okay. I'm better. Not 100%, but I'm better. As you can see, I lost a lot of weight. Okay. All right. Without further ado, let's see the double blessings we got on today's food pantry haul. We are starting from the left to the right. Look at the canned goods. I love this. We've got some no salt sweet peas. Those are so good. 2 cans of those. Then we've got some whole kernel corn and some cream corn. Did you know you can combine these? And it's a great mixture. Tastes so good. Then we've got some diced tomatoes. 2 cans of that, no salt added. And I'm really excited about this because guess what? I'm going to be making some Italian dishes. Yes, I am. Then I've got 4 cans of, 2 cans spaghetti sauce and 2 cans of tomato sauce. Now, these I'm going to use in conjunction, of course, with these. You got our spaghetti noodles. But down there, I've got something exciting. I'm going to make something you've never seen me make before. Then over here, we've got some cut green beans, no salt added. I love those. You can add your own salt, make your own casseroles, or what have you. Then we've got some mini beef raviolis. Jay is going to love those for his lunch. You know what you can do also with these? Spread them out in a pan, put a little cheese over top of them, bake them in the oven. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Then we've got some Bartlett pears. Oh, these are so good chilled. You can make a smoothie out of these or just eat them as is. I love these things. And some unsweetened applesauce, which is the best in my opinion. I'm just saying. Then we've got some northern beans. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. 4 packs of northern beans. Oh, that is so good. Now let's jump over here. Look at this. 4 packs of rice. We've got some long grain white rice. This is good. Then we've got some quick oats back here. There's just so much. I'm kind of overwhelmed over everybody. Then we've got a half loaf of bread. Sara Lee sourdough. Oh, yeah. Then look at this. We've got some buns here. I'm going to complete that collaboration with Miss Simple Meals by T. And this is going to play a big part in it. I'm going to do a sloppy Joe meal with soup. Then down here, look at this. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 packs of ramen noodle soups. Yes, yes, yes. Of course, you know I don't use the seasoning packet. I show you how to make your own. Too much salt. Now, don't sleep on this. This pancake mix they give you, the complete pancake mix, it is so good. We've got 2 containers of this, 2 packages. For breakfast, that is good. Or if you want to make some crepes and be fancy. Now here is why I was so excited about all that pasta sauce. We've got lasagna noodles. Look at this, 2 packs of them. Yes, nieces and nephews, I am going to make us some lasagna the food pantry way. Then back here, we've got 4 boxes of macaroni and cheese. Then over here, we've scored the mother load of produce. 2 packs of raisins. I should say 2 bags. Look at that. You can put these in cookies, cakes, rice pudding, bread pudding. Oh, yes. Pancakes, waffles, all kinds of things. We've got some mustard greens. Oh, I'm going to cook these today. Then we've got 4 green peppers, Oh, make that 5, 1 yellow pepper. Mm-hmm. Then down here, look at this. A bag of frozen strawberries. You know how much this would cost in the store? This is at least $8 to $10. Then over here, we've got some blackberries. I love these. These are my favorite. Whole container. Then we've got a container of blueberries. I should mix these together, make some blueberry blackberry juice. That would be good. Then over here, we've got 2 bags of apples. Look at that. And they are so red and delicious looking. Look at this. Oh. Then, they gave out something that's a rarity. Oil. Cooking oil. Got 2 little bottles of cooking oil. That'll come in handy. Then over here, we've got tons of meat. Yes. Look at this. What is this here? I can't even read it. Oh, I got it upside down. Oh, these are Cornish hens. A whole pack of Cornish hens. These are delicious in the oven or in the rotisserie. Oh, yes. Then we've got a huge capon for roasting. Don't look at that. That's a surprise at the end. Then we've got some fish portions, some fillets, Alaskan pollock. We've got 2 bags of fish sticks. Hey, I enjoy them too. Not only for the kids, but I like them. Then we've got some drumsticks over there, a whole 5-pound bag. 2 containers of beef. Then jumping back here for breakfast, we got some milk, whole milk, half gallon, and toasted oat cereal. Jumping back over for dessert. Ah, yes. Pumpkin bars, and they are cream cheese iced. Jay will enjoy it though. Then for his lunch, we got some Lunchables. Well, the knockoff brand. Hey, it doesn't matter. He loves these things for snacks. He will love them. Absolutely love them. Look at this. It is a bountiful haul. It's true. Your Uncle Chris may get under the weather and may have lost more weight so quickly than he wanted to. But I will always be there for you guys. I will always try to get a video out. Oh, I was sick. Oh, I tell you, I thought I was living in a bathroom. All I could see were bathroom walls. It was not fun. Okay, it was not fun at all. But I did lose weight. That's the plus side of that. Not fun. Not fun. Anyway, moving on. I digress. Do not be afraid to go to your food pantry. Forget that stigma. You see, I got at least $150 worth of food here free. And it was necessary because, one, I was so sick, couldn't work. We had no food in the house. I had to get some food. And I did, thank God, to the food pantries, for the food pantries. And I'm going to give some of this, of course, to Miss Bambi. She needs some food desperately, so I'm getting her some. And if you are in the Chicago area and need some food, please let me know. Do not hesitate to reach out to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. I will be more than happy to bring you some food. Let me think what else. I want you to like, comment, subscribe. Buy me a cup of coffee. It is so needed right now. You just don't know. Whoa. So, what else has been going on? Well, let's see. I've got some new videos coming out. The cookbook's about to hit the website, and I'm really excited about that. Everything got delayed by me getting sick. I'm so sorry. I will reach out to everyone who's been trying to call me. I swear I will. Okay? All right. Don't forget to comment. Talk to me. I want to hear from you. All right. Till tomorrow, we've got a nice video coming out. Big love from Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smell